goodness! I gave us a little old flat tire, didn't I? We just had to get this little old flat tire fixed, Sonny, but we'll get you home in a jiffy anyway.
Calling car 6 and 7/8. Calling car 6 and 7/8. Urgent.
My goodness!
The Alley Cat Gang is creating a disturbance in Allen's Alley. Bring them in. It's Officers Tom and Jerry. Beat it!
Open up! We want to talk to you.
Open up. We want to talk to you. Hey, fellas, look it. A lady cop. All right already. We give up. We'll behave.
Well, Officers Tom and Jerry, I see by this glowing report that you have had quite a day. You got the lady's baby out of the tree safely. Oh, very ingenious, the way you blocked that gusher until the water main could be repaired. You even brought in the Alley Cat Gang without calling for a backup force. Oh, congratulations! The force is proud of you. Now, how about you, Officer Katie? Did you learn anything today riding with these efficient officers?
I sure did, Chief, sir. I learned that these are just the greatest little old officers on the force, next to you, of course.
Oh, this calls for a celebration. I'll pop for the pops.
Let me try it, Chief, sir. A little old hairpin will do it every time.
Oh, yeah. To Officers Tom and Jerry and Katie.
Why, thank you, Chief, sir.
Calling car 6 and 7/8. Officers Tom and Jerry, report to headquarters immediately.
Officers Tom and Jerry, I want you to meet our newest police person, Katie.
Hi, y'all.
This is Officer Katie O'Kitty. Katie is going to ride with you. Your assignment is to show her the ropes.
I guess I'm just the luckiest little old police person in the world to ride with outstanding officers like y'all. I'll just sit in that little old squad car and be quiet as a mouse. Oh, my goodness. I didn't mean to offend you, Officer Jerry. I think you're just the cutest little old policeman on the force. This little old squad car looked just peachy after I put up some chintz curtains back here.
Calling car 6 and 7/8. Proceed to 1111 Elm. A lady's baby is up a tree.
My, you officers sure do respond heroically. Now, was that little old call a 604 or a 309, 802, 707? Be careful, baby. Help's on the way. Oh, hurry, officers. Save my little baby. My, he is so brave. ma'am.
Oh, thank you, officer. Thank you.
Calling car 6 and 7/8. A water main has ruptured on Beverly Boulevard. Get out there and do something until we can get the water turned off. Don't just stand there! I said to do something!
Oh, my. Those officers are in danger. My goodness. Are y'all right, fellow officers? It sure is exciting to ride with two brave officers who get things done as officially as y'all.
Calling car 6 and 7/8. There is a small boy lost on Hill Road. Take him home.
Are you lost, little boy?
Yes, ma'am.
Would you like for us to take you home?
I get to ride in a squad car? Oh, boy!